Hey guys, Travis with Alberta Back Road, and today is a good day. Today, I got my Jeep fixed, and we're heading out wheeling. I put some new control arms on it. I went with the Dodge control arms, because, man, if the control arms are any stronger, I probably would have bent my frame. On top of that, I got a brand new drive shaft in it. I got my diff fixed. I straightened that out. I welded the seams. Got a new shock on there. I straightened up all my control arm brackets and my shock mount. And I put some gussets on them, made them a little thicker too, put another plate of 1/8-inch steel around them, make it stronger, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. I want to give a huge shout out to the guys at Legacy Dodge for helping me get this thing back together. And yeah, getting me the parts, getting it super quick, you know, wicked pricing. And those guys are great, man. If you guys are looking for a brand new Jeep and you're in the Fort McMurray area, head to Legacy Dodge. Those guys will hook you up, new, used, whatever. They'll even sell them pre-lifted, wheels, tires, ready to hit the trail, man. Well, stay tuned for the adventure. Heading out to meet up with the guys now. Can't wait to get this thing back on the trail. Right, down the dirt road, headed to the trail. Well, that didn't take long. I'm stuck. Time for the recovery. Gotta love broken axle shafts. Tell me about it. What do you want to winch to?
I think I can throw a winch right to that one there if I can reach, and that way I can keep the winch hook up the whole way.
Easy enough. Whoa, wait! That's deep, that. Use those feet, Mom. Well, broken axles and stuck Jeeps, we're not making it that way. Let's go check out the other end of this trail. We decided that it would be a lot of work to get the Dodge back the way we came in with the broken axle. So we continued down the other end of the trail towards an exit that involved a pretty big hill with several steep points. However, because of the welded rear diff, the Dodge had no problem making it up. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more great content like this, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I'll see you on the next adventure.